What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Honda Goldwing. Guys, this bike's in killer shape. We actually just sold this bike to a customer. He actually rode it for about 1 month, I think, just down the street. He only owned it for like 6 months, and then he actually returned it only because the bike was just too big. He ended up buying something just a little smaller, something that he felt a little more comfortable on. So this is the walk-around video, guys. This bike's in insanely good shape. It's got these... You'll actually find the old walk around online. He put Cobra pipes on it, if you can see that. Bike's in really good shape. It's just dirt. It's got this luggage rack, both side bags, some tiny little scuffs, if you can see that. Seat's in good shape. It's got this huge Clockworks backrest, or Chromeworks actually. The original guy actually had these really cool little like key things cut so that you didn't actually have to pull the key out, but they don't work in the ignition. So if that's your question, that is now answered. It has highway bars, highway pegs. It's got some scuffing, if you can see that. It's got some scuffing on the mirror. Front fender's got a chrome bar. Protection, got some tiny little scuffs. Nothing really major at all. A couple little scratches here on this mirror. This is all in really good shape. 2 little scuffs down there, if you can see those. So come to this bag. This bag's in really good shape, guys. It's got the intercom system, obviously. This is not the premium one, but it's got the premium audio. It's got the blowers, adjustable suspension, AM, FM, all that jazz. Fires up right away, and it's got 36,000 on it. Sounds really good, guys. Like I said, he's got these little things everywhere, so you can actually use all of your little things without having to pull it out of the keyhole here. Like I said, guys, 2007 Honda Goldwing. This bike is in killer shape. It's got 35,000 miles on it. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as check it out on the website, as well as check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.